Hey guys, welcome to my garden. Hey guys, welcome to my garden. You guys, okay, so you asked for this that you missed my gardening video. So welcome to my balcony garden. Okay, this is what it is right now, but we're going to work on it. Okay, so it's going to be more improved, right? But for this video, you guys, I want to transplant some of the okra plants that I have. Look at it here. And let me show you guys. There's music playing in the background, so I don't know if I'm going to continue or if I'm just going to do a voiceover. So you guys, before we proceed, I just want to say that if you want to buy okra seedlings and seeds, I have them available for sale. So you can DM me on Herbs and Sprouts Garden on Instagram, or or my email herbsandsprouts@gmail.com if you want to order for okra seeds or okra seedlings. We deliver anywhere in the world. So thank you. Yes, I don't know if it's necessary to add to this one because it's just one. I think this bag can actually do three. I need plenty of okra as well. So let's do this. See how this one's remaining, you guys. So I don't know. I have to look for a house for them. I'm just going to put them in my cups for now until I get a place to plant them. What do you guys think? So you guys, I have this plant here. This golden melon plant, and let me transplant them to this place because they are creeping plants, right? So I have to be careful because they are so delicate. Like, I have to be very careful. See, this is this. So you know what? Let me go. There's no space there, so we're just going to plant it like here. Let me change you guys. Let me put you guys somewhere else. Can you guys see me? Can you guys see me here? I think you guys can see me. So creeping plants. I think we're done now. Okay, let me replant these remaining okras, and I think they are done. Okay. So, you guys, we are done working on this place this morning. Okay, so yeah, the next time you are going to see me in this place would have been transformed, and we'll have shelving, like shelving units here, and it's going to be a ride. Okay, so yeah, I hope you enjoyed planting or gardening with me today in my small balcony garden. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. What else? What else are we gonna do? Hiya, Mr. Okra, Mr. Okra. What else? We are done. We're done. We're done. 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 Okay.